3 hours later.
So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox a few parts for my car. It consists of my in front suspension and also a few more equipments that needed to be bought. I'm not sending this to a mechanic, so I'm planning on doing myself. But yeah, this is the item and this is kind of my settings. So I'm just so excited. But then tomorrow I got a whole day of class, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's gonna be like, I'm not sure it's gonna be an entertaining video or not. Try to figure it out somehow, but I'll try my best. So do enjoy the unboxing video first, and there's gonna maybe there's gonna be a part 1, a part 2 or a part 3 from me installing the parts and everything. So yeah, stay tuned, enjoy the video. So before we start our unboxing, obviously we're not gonna need the biggest knife in the house. I bought this at Daiso, I think, not sponsored. So yeah, let's go. We go from the smallest to the largest first, I guess. Do I need to come in front a little bit more? I think it's okay. Oh, I think this is the tie rod end for my car. It's not original, it's OEM. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it is worth a try. Okay, for information, my car doesn't have like a major problem based on the sound and based on the handling for my car itself. But I was thinking like it's a 5 years old car. At least in my hand, it's a 5 years old car. So why not we give her a treatment so that it's gonna last longer, hopefully. No way, we got a coffee. Not bad. This is, to be honest, this is a gentle gesture from the seller. It's good, what? Oh yeah. Also, I need a freaking spark plug. You know, the last time I changed my spark plug, it was like the 3rd month since I got the car. The 3rd month. So it's gone. It already around 4 years and a half in my hand. I never changed my spark plug. God damn it, Amir. Next. Oh yo, what is this actually? How do I open this? Oh, okay. This is for my my brake step. You know the I will include the picture here or here. I'm not sure which gonna tell which, but this is for the brake pedal rubber. The second largest item. Sorry, everything need to be upside down because all my address is on top. Oops. Okay. This is basically my what we call it? Absorber mounting. for my car. Is it? Oh yeah, this is absorber bearing. These both are absorber bearing. Both, I mean almost all of it are from OEM parts besides my lower arm. Sorry, somebody called me. Let's resume the video. This is the bearing. And also this is the mounting itself. Like I said just now, everything was like OEM quality spec. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. Usually it's gonna cost me around 2 years of usage, but I hope it's gonna last longer lah. I hope so. So yeah, let me put it back. I thought I didn't bought this, but luckily I did. So it's a plus bonus for me. Last but not least, as you can tell from the cellophane tape itself, I want this item since I was 20 years old. Now I 25 plus years old, and here it is. When the usage of adult money, finally, we can all enjoy this. At least I can enjoy this. You guys can just sit around and watch me having fun. Nanti video aku mesti ada orang komen, cakap je lah bahasa Melayu is. Sorry though, the video is for me, it's not. Okay lah, it's for you guys also lah. But then, I'm just gonna practice my English because I'm so bad at English. So, tada! Voila! This is so fucking exciting! So, like, how do we open this? I think like this. So everyone gonna attack me of buying this brand, but I don't know, I just give it a try first. If I don't like it, if I like it, I'm gonna leave it in the comments. Okay? Are you guys ready for this? Voila. Sip baik. Aku ingatkan terbalik tau. So this is an impact wrench from brand Keelat. It's a brushless impact gun. The torque, I'm not sure, like, how much is the torque? Huh? I think if I can remember it well, it was like I think it was like 550 worth of torque. I mean like the power is 550 Newton meter torque. So inside here we have this and this, a few accessories, and this is a quick release for your screws and everything. I'm sorry if the video is out of order or out of frame, but I hope you guys stay with me and be patient with me, and that's why I love you guys. So here's a battery. Okay, sorry, I'm so excited to try this. Oh shit, how do I plug this? Like this, I guess. Ooh, we got lights. Boom. Where's? What are these slings for? Taking me to war? Okay, I'm not sure, but I never had an impact gun. I always like to play with impact guns. Not gonna lie. I don't know, it seems strong enough for opening wheels and stuff. It is a brushless impact gun, so I hope it's strong enough to open all the bolts and nuts from my old dusty cars. And I guess that's about it for this videos. I hope you guys enjoy it. You better enjoy it, because I'm waiting for so long to make these videos. And yeah, this is all the parts. Also, I forgot about, I'm not sure if I told you guys from, I mean like the startup of the videos, we forgot one thing. It is the, what we call it, lower arm for my car. And I'm gonna make a coffee now. So yeah, there's always gonna be like a second video or a part 2 or a part 3 from this video. So I hope you guys like enjoy this and give a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Oh, that's a weird fingers. So sorry guys to pause you on the endings of the video, because I just realized I have a few parts more to share to you guys. This is the what we call it, a spring absorber compressor. So like in order for me to open up the, what we call it, the absorber mounting, and also all the parts inside the absorber, if we need to change it ourselves, we do need this kind of spring compressor. Later I'll show like the infographic of how to like compress it or to use it. And if we got lucky, we may have a second video. Wait, it might take a while. So I go for 32 mm, I think 32 mm of compress. Oh wow. So we put the gun here and brrr, so it's gonna compress and everything. So this gonna move if we what we call it, use an impact gun. So yeah, if I can find an infographic about this, I'll put somewhere in the screen. Okay, and the last but not least is this guy. Oh fuck, sorry, didn't mean to curse. This is the lower arm for my car. We might need sometimes for this. So voila, this is the lower arm I was talking about, and stabilizer link, is it? Yeah, stabilizer link. And also we have a sway bar. I think it's a sway bar. Okay, bush stabilizer. So this is all original parts I get from. And yeah, the build quality is quite okay for this kind of price. So yeah, I guess we can resume for the ending. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if this is like entertaining enough for you. There's maybe not much to be entertaining about, but yeah, have a good day everyone. Good night.